Hi, my name's Ella and this is my new YouTube account. So I have made a lot, and I mean a lot, of different YouTube channels in the past, and none of them worked out. So I've decided to make a new YouTube account which I can stick to and stay to and keep it and not make any more. And I really want to stay put to this one. I really want to. So comment down below what things I should do. I like doing gymnastics, dance, doing hair videos, maybe doing some makeup videos. I'm also going to be doing loads of things like back to school supplies. I know it's not back to school, but when it is, morning routines, night routines, loads of things like that. And yeah, what's on my phone maybe, some weird things like that. Also comment down below your YouTube name so I can see your YouTube channel, and also your Instagram names. My Instagram names is press_handstand_lover. So technically it's press handstand lover. And yeah, that's it really. And also share things what you guys like doing, because maybe I could make videos and try to do things like that. So yeah, thank you and comment down below. Bye.